Morning children, welcome to our second class EBS sessions. Now we have to learn about the plants in the last lesson, that is fruits and seeds. We have to learn about the food from plants like vegetables, fruits. We have to take parts of the plant, stem, root, flowers, seeds, leaves. We have to take in from the plants. These parts to be as we can take in the food items like vegetables, fruits. So we have to take raw food also from the plants, and we have to take such as food from the plants. All fruits are not soft and juicy. Yes, we know that all fruits are not soft and juicy. Some are hard, some are small nuts. Yes, in that fruits also have, some fruits have one seeds, and some fruits have inside them few seeds, and some fruits have many seeds inside the fruit. Then some seeds have we are as taking as a food like corn, beans we are taking, and peas I say we are taking as a food, and peas and beans we are preparing curries, and the maize we have to take as cook, boiling and frying as we are taking food. Up to here we have to learn about what are the parts of the plant we are taking as a food. Now we have to learn about that other uses of plants. Other uses of plants. The food, plants giving to us food, wood, furniture, paper. Plants gives us fiber like cotton, jute. Plant gives us rubber, tights, pipes, etc. Plants gives us medicines like clove, neem, tulsi. And plants gives us oil like cooking oil, coconut oil. And plants gives us perfume that rose plant and jasmine plants, etc. we are getting from the plants. These other uses. Now we have to thoroughly learn about that uses of other plants. Other uses of plants. Next, plants provide us with many things that we use every day. Yes, plants providing many things to us in our daily life. Plants gives us wood. We use wood to make furniture and paper. The plants gives us wood, and we have to different types of furnitures in our household things. And the wood also providing paper. Some houses are also made from wood. Some houses are made from wood also. And next one, plants gives us fiber. Fiber is used to make clothes. Yes, the fiber is used to make clothes that we are wearing like dresses, chudidars, sarees, shirts, pants, trousers, different clothes we have to make it. Cotton plant gives us cotton fiber, and jute plants gives us jute fiber. Yes, cotton plant gives us cotton fiber, jute plant gives us jute fiber. Next one, the plants gives us rubber. Yes, the plants also gives us rubber. We use rubber to make tiles and parts erasers. Tiles means the wheels of a vehicle. Auto gani, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, buses, lorries. They have wheels with rubber wheels. That comes from where it is coming? It coming from the plants. We are making like tiles, tubes, pipes, water we are pouring to the plants with the help of pipe. Erasers. When we write wrong means we have to erase the matter. That uses that which one giving? Plants giving. And what is the next one? Plants gives us medicines. Plants gives us medicines. Yes, we make medicines from plants such as tulsi, ginger, clove and neem. Tulsi, ginger are used to treat cold and cough. Yes, habitually in our homes tulsi plant will be there. Every home will be there. Ginger we have to make crush and we have to use in curries, and it is helps to the helps to the health. And we have to preparing it. Ginger and tulsi is treat to cold and cough. It gives us help in the healthy of human beings. Next one is that plants gives us oil. Plants gives us oil. We use milk. We use oil to cook food. We get oil from coconut, mustard and groundnut. We get from oils from the seeds of mustard seeds and groundnut seeds and coconut seeds. Coconut plant. We have to crush the fruits and nuts and we are making as oil. Yes, plants gives us oil. We use oil to cook food. We get from oil from coconut plants and mustard plants and groundnut plants. We make the oil, crush the seeds and we make to oil to cook curries and deep frying and etc. Next one is that plants gives us perfume. Yes, plants gives us perfumes. Flowers such as rose, lily and jasmine are used for making perfumes, soaps and shampoos. Yes, plants. Which plants? Flowers such as rose flower, lily flower and jasmine flower used for making perfumes and soaps and shampoos. Then it is used as we are using to clean our body and clean our hair. We can take soap to bathing. Yes or no? Yes, I will show the pictures to you. What are the uses of plants are there? I will show to you picture. Now, this is that uses of plants, wood and furniture. We make furniture and different types of things in household things. Paper, we have to write the paper. We need wood. It makes us to paper. And next one is that medicines. Yes, medicines also coming from plants. And this is the clove, lavangamu we can say. This is the oil, oil. It comes from the plants also. Next one is that this is the different types of fiber the plants will go giving to us. That cotton plant give cotton cloth like shirts and trousers. Jute plants are making as jute bags. We have to take out the things to in the bag. And plants gives us rubber. It is makes to wheels like tires, pipes and erasers. Next, plants gives us oil. Plants gives us oil. Yes, that is the cooking oil like coconut oil, mustard oil, cooking oil, groundnut oil, almond oil. These are the different kinds of oil. Mostly we are cooking with groundnut oil and sunflower oil, mustard oil, and in Kerala they use it to cook the curries with the coconut oil only. And last one, the plants gives us perfume. Yes, perfumes, soaps and shampoos. In our daily life we are using perfumes to our body. When bad smell will come out our bodies. It freshness giving to our body. It avoids the bad smell of our body. It is pleasant in the daily life. These are the different uses of plants. Now we have to taking care of plants also we have to discuss. That plants are useful to us. We should take care of plants by watering them regularly. Yes, we have to daily water poyali. And not plucking the flowers or leaves. We are not plucking the flowers. And ఆకులను కానీ కొమ్మలను కానీ ఫ్లవర్స్ కానీ కట్ చేయొద్దు. Using paper wisely and not washing it. And use paper wisely and not washing it. Daily కొంచెం వాటర్ స్ప్రింక్లింగ్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. లీవ్స్ పైన డస్ట్ ఇట్లా ఉంటాయి, నీట్గా ఉంచుకోవాలి. దాంట్లో పాట్లో కానీ కింద కానీ పేపర్లు డస్టులు అంతా ఉంటే తీసేయాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద టేకింగ్ కేర్ అబౌట్ plants. I will show to the flow chart of a plants. Just you see. This is the flow chart of a plants. Uses of plants, fruits, vegetables and fruit grains, wood, paper, furniture, medicine, fiber, cotton, jute and oil, perfume, soaps and shampoos. These are the plants are giving to us uses. Just we have to protect our environment, then we have to put more plants, more greenery. And yes or no, say this bit. Rubber comes from plants. Yes or no? Yes. That cotton clothes made from jute fiber? No. Paper is made from wood. Yes. Tulsi is the medicinal plant. Medicinal plant or not? Very good. It is the medicinal plants. Finish this bit yes or right, yes or no in page number 44. And you should compulsory read the lesson and identify the hard words. Thank you.